What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to show y'all some of the things that y'all are falling for when it comes to credit repair. Now, I'm going to put a screenshot up right here, and then I'm going to play a video right after this with some Experian results. So I pay attention when I see this stuff, and there's several things I noticed. One, the video format is set in 720p. That means it's an old video. Two, the dates are from 2019. But he tries to cover it up with his phone number in a little black thing I paused it and screenshotted it for y'all. So check this out.
Hey guys, this is Andre with Pinnacle Credit Management, and we are looking at the investigation results that came back from our client Jessica. As you can see, they came on the 29th of just last month. It's already the 5th of April, and these came back just last month. Within 30 days, we're able to remove 40% of the negative items he has on their report. So here's the report from Experian. Okay.
Now, keep in mind, all this stuff was posted today, and here's proof. See the date in the bottom corner, just in case somebody says this is whatever. Anyway, so just watch this next video. It talks about ACDV, but again, you got to watch those dates. This next video, again, I'm showing y'all the screenshots before the video because you're not going to see them. He created them so you can't really see the dates unless you pause it at just the right time. But the title of this one is Everything Deleted in 3 Weeks. But again, check the dates. So I have no doubt this kid was actually good at credit repair at one time because all this, he posts so much from 2019. But we're in 2023. That's 4 years ago. People want to see what you're doing now. And the only thing you can prove now is that you're scamming folks. And I'm going to enjoy making these videos until my finale comes out. So Creighton, if you're watching this, hurry up. Tired of doing this.
Hey guys, so we're logging in a client's credit report here. This is an update for our client Aaron. So this is a live update from the Credit Karma. He's been a client for 3 weeks. I signed him and his wife up, and look at what we did. So you can see it clear as day right here. As you can see.
Anyways, if y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Don't fall for these scammers. That's what they want. Take your money, run, leave you high and dry, and you still have bad credit. Hope y'all have a great day.